Hello friends and welcome to my channel. My name is Carol and the name of my channel is My Blessed Nest. I'm so glad you're here. I hope you had a great Christmas and are looking forward to the new year. I sure am. I went to the bins again and dug and found some treasures, and I'd like to share them with you. So are you ready? Let's get started. All of the items were $1.19 a pound except for one item that was 49 cents a pound. And I'll be sure to tell you which item that was when we get to it. It just very well may be my favorite item of the whole bunch. First off, I was happy to find some craft supplies, brand new in package. This item is fake snow and it's marked $2.99 at the top here. Very crinkly package. And I actually have a use for it. Do you remember the little snowman that I got for Christmas, the little candle? I actually inverted this old jar that I thrifted, and I'm going to try making my own little snow globe by putting some fake snow in there with him. So I'll let you know how that turns out. And I thought it would be fun to use for decor. I also got these adorable little pom-poms. They're a beautiful red color, and those were marked $1.99. And then I got these cute little peppermint buttons or candy cane, and those are not marked with a price, but there's 6 of them, and I can imagine those would probably go for a couple dollars as well. So I was happy to find the craft supplies. Next, I found a whole stack of these vintage Coca-Cola coasters. They're cork on the back, and there's different designs. Some of them are made in China and some were made in Thailand. This one I have in my hand actually says 1999 made in China. So I'm going to lay those all out on the table and give you a look at them and all the different designs that I got. I think coasters are kind of popular now, and I hope to be able to sell these in my booth, maybe singly or as a group. So let me know what your thoughts are, how you think I should best sell them. I think I mentioned before that salt and pepper shakers are popular right now at the booth where I sell. So I was happy to find these cute little flowers. And when I checked out, the lady at the Goodwill said she remembered these from picnics when she was a little girl. Unfortunately, when I was laying everything out, when I got home, I noticed there's a couple defects. Right here, the flower is broke off, as well as just a small spot on here. So I'll probably mark them as is, and maybe somebody will be happy to get them anyway. This next set is an outhouse, and I'm wondering if it's actually a set now that I look at it. The top says, oh, okay, I think I get it. Souvenir of, and then the front says PA. So I'm thinking it's a souvenir of Pennsylvania. At first I thought they said Ma and Pa, but they both say PA. So I'm guessing that it's a cute little souvenir piece from Pennsylvania. You can let me know what you think about that. And I hope those will sell in my booth as well. Do you know I love bottle brush trees? If you watch my channel very often, you probably realized that. I found 2 cutie pies. This one looks like maybe something from Target. I loved the coloring on it, how it goes from dark to light. And I also love that it's high up on the stand. I think that's a newer look with the bottle brush trees. And then this one is more of a traditional. I thought I pulled out all the tinsel that was wrapped around it in the bins. But I love the color and the shininess of this one. So I was glad to find those, and I love to use them in my decor. They will pop up in my winter decor as well as my Christmas decor. Next, I found a set of 3 cookie cutters. Now these are for Halloween or fall. These 2 I already have because my friend Melody gave them to me. So I'll be putting these in my booth to sell in the fall. And then I added this one to my collection. Look how cute it is, a little owl. And I'll be keeping that one. Of course, I found some Disney. Look at the sweet Minnie Mouse I found. My favorite color is pink, so I'll be happy to add her into my collection in the kids' room. And then this next item I'll hold up just to show you, but I will put an insert in. It's one of those big flags for on the front of my house, and I can't wait to use it next year. It's got Santa on and it's adorable. The last item I found at the bins was actually the first item I picked up. Along the wall they have all of their artwork, pictures, and anything framed, and that's what's 49 cents a pound, and I found this. It's very vintagey looking, very yellowed with age, I think, and I absolutely adore it. If I can't find a spot for it in my home, I will put it in my booth for sale. There is some damage to the frame. There's a little chunk out right here, and let's see, it needs a good cleanup. It's a little scratching right here, but I may paint the frame a different color. Instead of the wood stain, I may paint it a color. So I have to decide that upon determining where it's going to go. If this goes up in my craft room, I might paint it a different color than if I put it somewhere else in my home. I may lean it up on my shelves at some point in the kitchen for decor. I'll just have to see. I went down to the Majestic Turnaround and I thought I would add these two items in at the end. That's where I sell. And I found this adorable little Santa toothpick holder for $1. I am not going to use it for toothpicks. I'm just going to add him into my Santa collection. And then I got this beautiful tray. I believe the tag said it was from the 70s. I don't see any marking on the back. And I just thought it was so pretty and very well made. And it was marked $3.50, but it was half off. So I got it for $1.75. Here's where I added my new little Santa on my tiered tray for this year. And then I'll be putting everything away soon, and I can find a place for him next year. I also have a bonus item my mom found in my dad's dresser. If you didn't know, my dad passed away in March of this year, and so we're still going through his things. Look at this cutie. I absolutely love old radios, and he gifted me a lot of them over the years. A while back, I thrifted one of these, and I sent it to my friend Dot Likes Red in California. And then I was so surprised when my mom found this one. It's very similar to the one that I gifted Dot. So I'm so happy to have that, and I'll probably test it out and see if it works, put some batteries in it. I thought you might like to see how I make my little snowman, little snow globe. I'm not going to put water or liquid of any kind in it. This is sticky tack that you can purchase for putting your posters up or anything light on the wall. And you just have to kind of warm it up by kneading it, kind of like you would knead bread. So I'm going to put a little blob of that right in the center of my lid, and then I'm going to stick my snowman on top of that. Now it's just to kind of anchor it while I fiddle around with this. I have a little plastic spoon because I don't know if you can see, I've already made a mess over here of this glitter. So I'm just going to take and put some in here. I don't know how much I want. It might be something I'm going to have to fool around with a little, but I thought it would be fun if it covered the lid around my snowman. So I'm going to put some of that in there. Okay, we'll try that. I can always add more. And now let's hope that he stays on there. We're going to turn him upside down and screw the lid on. So far so good. And then I'm going to turn it over. Oh my goodness, look how much snow is in there. That's way too much. So no worries. I'm going to take a little bit out. Hey, that sticky tack's working pretty good. Let's take about half of that out. Let's try that. Okay, take two. So far so good. He's staying on there. Here we go. Shake it around a little. I think that's so cute. Look how it turned out. So I love simple little crafts like this that don't take a lot of time and give you a lot of impact. So let me know, is this something you would try? Here's how I had my decor set up for Christmas on my dining room table. So I'm going to remove the angel and let's add in this snowman. Let's see. Let's take this out. I like the deer, so we'll leave the deer, put the snowman there, and then, no, I don't like that tree. Let's try this tree. Let's try the tree in the middle. Oh, my cutting board is a little bit warped there. That's my freebie from the garage sale. So let's try this over here. Maybe that'll go better there. Well, you know I'm a tweaker. I added just a little bit more snow. Okay, this is probably my final tweak. I added in the white reindeer. I think he looks so cute with the white bottle brush tree and the snowman and the snow. And I do not recommend that glittery snow. It made a total mess all over my table. The only way I would use it is if you're going to enclose it in something like I did. Otherwise, you're going to have a major mess and find glitter everywhere for a long time. I would love to know what your favorite item or items are. As always, put it down in the comments below and let me know if you would have picked up any of these items or not. I want to thank each and every one of you that has subscribed to my channel, or if you haven't subscribed, if you watch my channel, every single watch counts. I'm so thankful for all of the friendships I've been able to make on YouTube. You guys are the best. I really look forward to hearing your comments, and it encourages me to make more videos. So please put a comment below if you're new, and if you remember when you joined, I would love to know how long you've been watching my channel if you're not new. If you'd like to follow me on Instagram, I'll link that below. Happy New Year, everyone! Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next year. Bye-bye.